Welcome to the demo video for Teamflect. In this video, we'll be going over the following Teamflect features and how they can fit into your workflows. If you see a feature that's particularly of interest, feel free to skip ahead. Your Teamflect homepage is a snapshot of everything you need, from your meetings drawn from your Outlook calendar, to your goals, tasks, reviews, and everything in between. And it's not just about you, it's also about your team. Under Teamflect's My Team tab, you can find everything related to your team, from their latest reviews and surveys to their goals to birthdays and anniversaries. It's also home to your organization. This is Teamflect's modern intranet, complete with a company newsfeed, internal job boards, anonymous message boxes, and so much more. But let's start where most stories do, with goal setting. Teamflect's Goals module lets you view all your goals in a cascading format and in the framework of your choice, whether it's OKRs, KPIs, milestone, or anywhere else. You can divide goals into sub-goals and relate them to tasks. When you're setting a goal, you have complete control over it. You can customize different goal types and measure goal progress any way you see fit. And inside Teamflect, tracking goals is just as easy as setting them. Managers can view everyone's goals in a chronological feed or individually under User View and keep track of everyone's goal progress. Goal owners also receive automated goal check-ins through Microsoft Teams chat at frequencies of your choice and update their goals themselves, increasing goal ownership. Another way managers can keep track of everyone's performance is through effective meetings. As we said before, Teamflect draws your meeting data automatically from Outlook and provides you with incredible meeting agendas, flush with talking points, shared and private meeting notes, as well as other Teamflect features embedded into meetings, such as tasks, feedback, employee recognition, and more. Whether you're conducting a one-on-one meeting or a team meeting, you can fire Teamflect up inside an ongoing Microsoft Teams meeting and access all of Teamflect's meeting features. This includes presenting goals inside an ongoing meeting as an interactive presentation and discuss goal progress regularly. Another way managers can empower their teams is through feedback, and Teamflect gives you multiple different avenues for feedback. This includes ad hoc feedback you can exchange on the spot by accessing Teamflect's extensive feedback template gallery. You can choose a feedback template that reflects your purpose, customize an existing one, or create a new feedback template. If you want to include everyone in the feedback process, you can start a 360-degree feedback cycle, which includes the self-assessment by the employee through multiple different question types, as well as feedback from their managers and supervisors, their direct reports, their peers, as well as people outside of your organization for a complete perspective. After all the relevant parties have completed their end of the feedback, you can view all the results and everyone's input in a neatly arranged format. This is complemented by a detailed analytics section, providing you with key insights, triangle charts, as well as an AI-powered summary of the survey results. Feedback on its own might not be enough. Success also needs to be celebrated and celebrated publicly. Teamflect lets your organization do just that through customizable recognition badges. These badges can be assigned point values to build a point-based recognition system. Recognition can be viewed as a live feed or through dynamic leaderboards. Of course, these leaderboards can be toggled off if you feel like they don't fit your company culture. And employees can redeem their recognition points for rewards inside a custom rewards catalog built by their organization. When it's time to conduct performance reviews, Teamflect's Performance Reviews module has you covered. Reviews inside Teamflect start with a self-review. Once an employee receives a performance review, all they need to do is head inside and start filling out their end of the self-evaluation. As you can see, Teamflect's performance reviews include multiple different question types, as well as the employee's goals within the review period, the competencies associated with their role, and 360-degree feedback. Once the self-review is completed, then it is their manager's turn to complete their end of the review. With everyone's performance review responses now in place, it is time to view review results. The review results section inside Teamflect performance reviews include custom scoring criteria, as well as a 9-box talent grid. And the overall comments section. When leaving their comments, reviewers can enhance their responses with AI to check for grammar mistakes as well as biases. The next step is to create a development plan for the employee, and Teamflect's AI assistant can analyze the employee's review results, goal performance, as well as 360-degree feedback to suggest tailored development goals for them. The reviewer and the reviewee can go over these goals and add them to a development plan. Once all the reviews are completed, managers can see insights about the reviews from all their team members inside a detailed insights section. This includes an AI summary, as well as everyone's ratings in a radar chart, how everyone's review results compare to each other, and all their team members inside the same 9-box talent grid. Managers also have the option to finalize reviews together with their direct reports through one-on-one meetings. Teamflect allows managers to present employee reviews inside one-on-ones as interactive presentations and finalize reviews together. It is always a great idea to measure employee engagement after performance reviews, and Teamflect lets organizations do just that through intuitive employee engagement surveys that include even Net Promoter Score questions. And every Teamflect survey template can also be sent out to be completed anonymously to ensure honesty. But of course, conducting the survey isn't enough. You need to be able to analyze them thoroughly, and you can generate a survey report with AI in a matter of seconds using Teamflect. This AI survey report spans the entire survey in detail and gives you a summary of the responses, as well as a detailed action plan and recommendations based on survey results. Now, let's just assume that you've conducted your surveys and you've discovered that your employees want further development opportunities. Well, Teamflect allows managers and employees to work collaboratively on individual development plans. These plans allow employees to determine their career objectives, such as excelling in their current role, moving on to another position, or switching departments, and then chart a course. They can select their next roles, determine learning materials and what kind of help they need from their organization, and select competencies to work on. And at the end of this plan, what if the employee moves to their next role? What happens to their current position? How do you fill those gaps? Well, they will have a succession plan created in Teamflect ready for just that scenario. Those in leadership roles can determine their potential successors through succession plans and indicate their readiness level, as well as mark a candidate as their preferred candidate in case of emergencies. But that about brings us to the end of our tour. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, never hesitate to contact us.